Hey guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title, this is a shoplog. I did some shopping, and in contrary to shopping in Korea, I bought some actual brands and not the usual stuff that I go to Hongdae, go to the Gangnam Underground station. But I visited the online stores of Zalando, Naked Fashion and H&M. So I'll be showing you those, and if you're wondering, I am currently, as we speak, in the Netherlands, so that's why I did my shopping in those stores. So today I received all 3 packages and I didn't open them yet. It was so hard to wait, but here we go. First up is the H&M. I bought here a blouse and I bought some gloves for winter. So I bought, first of all, I got some cute gloves at H&M. They are for smartphone use. This just one with the panther print and just a regular black. So yeah, here they are. They are smartphone gloves, the black pair and the panther pair. Cute. Then I also got a pink blouse, and it was kind of like a satin-ish, but I think it was 100% polyester, which it's not the best, but it looks good. So it's kind of long, which I do not truly prefer, because whatever I wear, if it's a t-shirt or a blouse, I put it in my pants, like I tuck it in, but they didn't have like real short ones, so yeah, it's a bit long. Yeah, I'll try it on and show you that as well, but I do really like it, and I hope that the length is not bothering me too much. So next up is Naked Fashion, and I got a few pieces here. So we're staying in the pink stuff. I got a sweater. That is this one. It is not too long. I love that it's with a little print, like a cable kind of stuff. And let's see. I got it in a small. It feels super smooth and soft, and I love the color. So next. And oh, receipt. The next is this kind of green. It's a wool blend ribbed knitted sweater. I got this one in a small as well. And it is kind of green, but not really. Oh my god, I truly feel like the wool. I don't know if I can handle this. Probably will be itching a bit. Let me see how much wool is actually in here. It feels itchy-ish. So it could be a lot, but could be not as well. It is 25% wool. The rest is acrylic fabric. Feels kind of itchy, but I do really like how it looks, so we'll see if I can handle wearing that. This is my high neck ribbed knit sweater in black. Yeah, that is this one. It is ribbed. It has yeah, it's made like that, and it has this little turtleneck. It is kind of like a skinny one, not too oversized. This one is made of 50% cotton and 50% of the acrylic fabric. Then my last Naked Fashion item is a pants. I got myself some pants. I got them in a size 36, and I truly love them, so I'm hoping it fits. So these are the pants, another black pants, kind of fancy-ish. And I dropped something. I dropped the belt. So it comes with a belt, and it looks kind of fancy, like stylish-ish. So we'll see. I'm curious about this one, and I think it would look good with all the sweaters and the blouses. So yeah. Then the last station, it is Zalando, and I bought here 2 pairs of shoes. Both of the pairs of shoes, they are just black heel, but like not too high heel, kind of short, like 7 centimeters, so I could just wear it like and go places, not wearing it and just feeling that I want to sit down all day. So I just got it for a more convenient purpose, not like, oh, I want to be stylish or whatever. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep 1 pair unless they both, or well, unless I don't like any of them, then both of them go back. First pair is from Anna Field. Never heard of it, but I don't know. I just never heard of it. And here they are. I'm just almost dropping everything. So these are like kinda fun-ish, and then it's just a pointy nose and it's kind of thick heel, so it's comfortable for walking. It's not too high. So yeah, this one. Then my other pair is from Tamara. Oh, my shoes are a size 36 as well, by the way, just Dutch European size. Tamaris, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. So these, but they have a little strap. If the shoe, the heel does not have a strap, or like it's closed, like super secure, if it's like this, I cannot wear it, just no. But with the strap, I can. So it was kind of a hard search for me to find such shoes. So it's just simple, and this one has a small heel, but kind of same. No, this one is higher, right? Oh yeah, I think this is like half a centimeter, like full centimeter higher. So these ones. So that is everything that I got. Please let me know in the comments which items you like, which items you dislike. What should I keep? What should I send back? So yeah, let me know. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. It's been quiet on my channel for a while now, so yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What do we have to lose?